How to deactivate and reactivate your Instagram account. Want to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account and reactivate it later? You can do it directly from the Instagram app. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Under Your Account, tap Meta Account or Account Center. Scroll down and tap Manage Accounts. Tap Manage next to your Instagram account. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Select Deactivate Account and tap Continue. Review the information about deactivation, then tap Continue. Verify your identity to confirm. Select your reason for deactivating your account. Scroll down and tap Continue to proceed. Choose when you want Instagram to automatically reactivate your account. Tap Continue and follow the remaining on-screen instructions to confirm. Your Instagram account will now be temporarily deactivated. To reactivate it, simply log back into your Instagram account before or after the selected reactivation period, depending on the option you chose. Keep in mind that the available options and menu names may differ depending on your Instagram app version and device. And that's it. Now you know how to deactivate and reactivate your Instagram account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful Instagram tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.